everyone, welcome to the home tour of this 3 BHK apartment interior design that is located in Girinagar, Bangalore. I am Harini Chandrasekhar, the Chief Architect at Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore. The complete interior design of this apartment includes foyer area design, TV unit design, modular kitchen, wardrobes for the bedrooms, and false ceiling. Since the living area was quite long, we transformed a simple TV unit into a smart design feature that also acts as a partition, creating two distinct zones, enhancing functionality and aesthetics. This thoughtfully crafted L-shaped kitchen offers enormous storage with expansive counter space and a perfect balance of style and practicality with functional base units, overhead and high volume lofts. The bedrooms accommodate sleek wardrobes and custom designed cots. Last but not the least, we designed false ceiling that adds depth, character and elegance to this space. So, this was about this 3 BHK apartment interior design. For interior designs in Bangalore, call us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design inspiration. Inkstone Infra. Infrastructure is everything. Thank you.